When all energies and forces in space explode, this happens according to the law of Allah, who provides nourishments to the entire universe. It is under his law that the entire system functions. He has made it such that every occurrence fits perfectly in his program. And when habitation shall spread out to far-off places on earth, the earth will give forth its treasures and become emptier. This will also happen according to the divine law, the obedience of which is in the very nature of these things. They have been made this way. O human! There is absolutely no doubt that by dint of your own experiments and observation, you will ultimately reach the divine order which has the responsibility for nourishing all humanity. However, this shall happen only after a lot of striving and strenuous effort. In contrast, under the guidance of Wahi, that stage can be reached in a much shorter time, with minimum effort. Only those who have faith in the truthfulness of the divine laws and do virtuous deeds to correct and improve their own selves as well as universal mankind, will be safe from this devastation. The outcome of such a behavior would be never-ending comfort and pleasures. They will receive all this not as charity, but as a matter of right.